Welcome to the info of the MOTOROLA Defy, and I'll show you how to edit notification panel shortcuts on this device. So let's just first open the notification panel, and here in the top bar, just if you want to add or remove some icons or just to change their positions, we should click here on the edit icon, and here now we can see all of the icons which we can add to our top bar here. So just to add them, you should hold for a while the icon and drag this icon here to this up section. By the same way, we can add here more icons. You can add all of them if you want, for example. To remove some icons from here, just hold for a while and drag it by the same way here to this down section. Also, we can change their positions here, just nothing new, hold it and drag it by this way. So as you see, that's so simple to do. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.